Good day, everyone. I am Jera Marie Villamin, and I am here today to share what topic from Chapter 4 which I learned best. Chapter 4: Assessing Non-Cognitive Dispositions and Skills. Scales for both selected and constructed response formats that are appropriate for specified grade level. Chapter, we will understand the nature of non-cognitive dispositions and trait targets, including definitions of different attributes such as attitude. These attitudes targets are values, motivation, self-concept, and self-esteem, self-efficacy, and interpersonal skill in learning. Self-concept, values, and student self-assessment. Non-cognitive means non-intellectual activities which includes beliefs, mindset, self-control, and self-goal orientation. In other words, refer to one's character rather than intellect. Chapter tackles topics such as non-cognitive traits and skills, dispositions and learning targets, interpersonal skill learning targets, and methods of assessment. Principles and practices that enhance student learning and motivation. The topic which I learned best is methods of assessment. That entails three feasible methods of assessing students. Student self-assessment, technically a form of self-report, considered separately since it is different from traditional measures of attitude. I will only give the two methods. First is teacher observation. Begin with a clear definition of the traits of students, followed by a list of students' behaviors and actions, those that correspond to positive and negative dimensions of the trait. Second is student self-assessment. It's a process in which students monitor and evaluate their learning and performance. Engages students deeply in self-observations, making judgments about their work, identifying discrepancies between current and desired performance. Example of teacher observation method. Observing attitudes, define what will be observed by making two columns. One listing for positive attitudes and one listing for negative attitudes, like this. Negative behavior can be in the form of cheating, skipping classes, and dropping. Positive attitudes or behaviors can be in the form of passing homework, be attentive in the class, student that has values, and following teacher's rules. Example of student self-assessment is a reflective assessment. Students taught to evaluate their own work according to criteria or rubric. You can be able to use all of these suggestions. The important point is that you need to find and be comfortable using activities that will use and promote students' efficacy.